Hi, what's up? Today we are going to be talking about using modal verbs for polite requests. So when we want to make polite requests in English, we can do that by using the modals can, could, and would. Well, to form a request with can or could, we use the modals followed by subject and verb 1. For example, can you pass the salt, please? Could you open the door for me? Could is generally more polite than can. And to form a request with would, we begin the request with would you mind, followed by verb ing or verb ing. For example, would you mind helping me wash the clothes? Would you mind lending me a pen? We can also make a request using would you mind, followed by if and verb to. For example, would you mind if I borrowed your book for a few minutes? Would you mind if I came to your house tomorrow? Now listen to how Miss Anna and Miss Intan use modals to make requests in the following conversation. Hey, I like the color of your wrapping paper. Where did you buy it?
I know, it's pretty, isn't it? I bought it at a bookstore near English Fokus.
I should have bought mine there. Are there any other prints or colors?
Yeah, they have a lot of other colors and prints too. By the way, where's my tape?
What's wrong?
I think I lost my tape. Could I borrow yours?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. So, what time are you planning to leave to the party tomorrow?
Around 11. What about you?
Sounds good. We can go together then because I plan to leave at 11 too.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you then. And now I think I've lost my scissors. I'm pretty sure I put them here.
Have you looked under your wrapping paper?
Yeah, I have. But I didn't see them. Anna, would you mind lending your scissors?
Not at all. And can you pass me a pen? I want to write my wishes on here.
Yeah, sure. Oh, I forgot to buy a ribbon. Anna, would you mind if I used one of yours?
I don't mind at all. Here you go.
Oh, that's very kind of you. Thanks.
Okay, I'm finished wrapping the gift.
So am I. See you tomorrow morning.
See you then. Now it's your turn to practice using modals to make polite requests in English. Thank you for watching this video with Ms.Intan and Miss Anna, teachers from English Fokus. Would you mind sharing this video with a friend? See you!